Hello everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're taking a look at the YougetTech 3000CFM Swamp Cooler, a portable evaporative air cooler designed to bring powerful airflow and energy-efficient cooling to garages, patios, workshops, warehouses, and outdoor spaces. If you're looking for an affordable alternative to traditional air conditioning while still getting strong airflow during hot summer days, this cooler is built to handle larger environments with ease. The biggest feature here is the 3000 CFM airflow performance. Compared to standard household fans, this swamp cooler pushes a much higher volume of air, helping circulate cool airflow across garages, patios, workshops, and outdoor seating areas. Whether you're working on projects, relaxing outdoors, or cooling down a commercial workspace, the strong airflow helps create a much more comfortable environment. Unlike traditional portable AC systems that rely on compressors and refrigerants, the YougetTech cooler uses evaporative cooling technology. Warm air passes through water-soaked cooling pads, naturally lowering the air temperature before it's circulated back into the room or outdoor space. This method usually consumes far less electricity, making it a more energy-efficient cooling solution for summer use. Another important feature is the large 8-gallon water tank. A bigger water capacity means longer cooling sessions without constant refilling. That's especially useful for outdoor events, garage work, warehouse environments, or extended daytime cooling. Simply fill the tank, activate the cooling mode, and enjoy refreshing airflow for hours. The portable design also makes this cooler very flexible. Built-in wheels allow easy movement between garages, patios, workshops, factories, yards, and indoor-outdoor setups. Instead of installing a fixed cooling system, you can reposition the unit wherever airflow is needed most. The high airflow fan system is especially useful for larger open areas where traditional fans struggle to move enough air. For patios and outdoor gatherings, the cooler helps improve comfort by constantly circulating fresh airflow. In garages and workshops, it helps reduce heat buildup during hot afternoons. Another reason people choose swamp coolers like this is operating cost. Traditional AC systems can consume significant electricity, especially in large spaces. Evaporative coolers mainly rely on water circulation and fan airflow, helping reduce energy usage while still creating a cooling effect. This makes them popular for garages, warehouses, workshops, and outdoor work areas. The industrial-style airflow performance also makes it suitable for commercial use. Whether it's a factory corner, warehouse station, gym area, workshop setup, or backyard event space, the cooler is designed to provide wide airflow coverage and portable cooling support. One of the best parts about evaporative coolers is their simplicity. There's no complicated installation process, no window venting system, and no permanent setup required. Just add water, plug it in, and enjoy cooling airflow almost immediately. Overall, the YougetTech 3000CFM Swamp Cooler delivers strong airflow, portable convenience, energy-efficient operation, and practical cooling support for both indoor and outdoor environments. For anyone looking to cool larger spaces without the high cost of traditional air conditioning systems, this could be a very smart summer upgrade. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review and want more cooling gadgets, tech reviews, and home upgrade videos, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the product link in the description below. See you in the next one.